Alrighty, I just shot the third coat, the black, not too much. So let's see how it turned out. I still got to do the other side, but this is what it looks like. A little bit of black stripes in it, and all the parts. So let's see what we got here. That stuff off. Not bad. Not bad at all. So there's that. There's the first one. There's the laser and the flashlight. Those turned out pretty good. And here's the other my new scope. Nice. Oh, that turned out good. These branches, these little pieces right there. Pretty good, pretty good. As you can tell, the camo pattern turned good on the cardboard too. Alright, let's look at the rifle. Here we go. Looking pretty good already. Not too shabby. Nice. Taking it off there. Pretty good. Definitely nice. There it is. Nice. So, pretty good. Got one more side to go. I think overall, it's a pretty good little touch-ups there. There's an area we could probably use a little bit more black if we wanted to. But yeah, not bad at all. So, we'll hit up one more side and go from there. That's how it's done. Alright, I'll show you the final product when it's all done.